Very quiet when there's no cars. There's a little monkey walking up to me on the roadside fence. I wonder what he's going to do when he gets closer. He walks up, he stops, looks at me, and I'm turning away. He walks a bit closer. Ah, look, he's come up to say hello. Brave little fella, aren't ya? Usually these macaques, they're very aggressive, especially if they think you've got food, but actually I've got no food. Just got coffee, that's it. So, nothing to get upset about. Ah, the little bugger's on my bike now. Thinks there's food in there. Go away. Don't show me that.